A person can become close to you in 3 days, and the one who lives near you for years may never know what your favorite color is. When the ignorant say wisely, you know that wisdom is for rent. Science is learned through words or through practice, and aloofness is learned through company. In the mirror, as you know, the opposite is true, but without it, we would never see ourselves. Everything is torn where it is thin, and only a person breaks from rudeness. What you are looking for is also looking for you. In a half breath, life plans nothing but love. Do not look at the world through the eyes of lust, for even the back of the snake is ornamented, but its venom is deadly. There is nothing more tiring than to attend how a person demonstrates his mind, in particular if there is no mind. Only if you finally part with a person you begin to be truly interested in everything that concerns him. This is one of the paradoxes of love. It is a mistake to assume that all people have the same ability to feel. Women do not need to explain anything, you always have to act with them. Married people also masturbate, because masturbation may seem like more of a singles man game, but regular solo session can have a huge impact on health of your marriage. Research indicates that masturbating can improve your happiness, boost your confidence, and lower your stress levels, all contribute to a better relationship.